Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going over BTC today. Right now, I am releasing this video a day prior to me making it, or a day after me making it. So this might be a little bit behind of where the market is, if the market does decide to move at all. But I do want to point out some things here. So we can see that we did move into this upwards area here at the 7400 area, and I think we got a little bit above that 7500 ish. So yeah, 76 almost 7700. And let's see. All right, so welcome back, yeah, everyone. Crypto Takeover once again, coming back with another video for you. It is almost Christmas time. I think I might release this video on Christmas, so but currently it is the 23rd. So here we are in the BTC area with our Heikinashis trending in an upwards channel on our 4-hour. Does kind of look like we are seeing a top out at the moment here on our 4-hour chart. As you can see here, we are coming down to test this EMA ribbon, maybe start to fall a little bit below it. It does look like we are trending below the VWAP now. Let's take a look at our hourly just to see like where we are on this VWAP as well. Nice big blood diamond there on the 1 hour. Take a look at our 2-hour. Cool. All right, y'all. So it does kind of look like we're headed in a downwards trend at the moment. Temporary downtrend. Let's take a look at our 12-hour, see what's happening here. I love these buy signals on the 12-hour. They're pretty strong indications. So after we had this little run up here, we had another buy signal come through, and that was just another indication that if you were in this trade, you did pretty well. So we shall see what the market decides to do. We are putting in a green dot here on our Cipher A pattern as well, which is a good indication. So there was someone else talking about the hash ribbons that did start to look like they were closing up just a little bit. Here, I'm going to turn off the super trend. Hey y'all, if y'all aren't aware, we're almost at 700 subs. At 1,000 subs, I'm doing a $50 BCH giveaway. But you need to be signed up for the newsletter that is available. It's free to sign up. First link down in the description below. It's just an easy way for me to get a hold of you once I pick the winner and stay up to date with what's going on. So y'all can get signed up for that, and at 1,000 subs, which I plan to hit probably by January, mid-January probably, I'll be doing that $50 BCH giveaway. So good stuff, y'all. So 12-hour, yeah, kind of in this upwards channel right now. So the only issue I have here is that this is kind of representing to me what was happening back before we dumped to 3,500. That's the only thing I'm kind of weary of right now. So if we can go into our 1 day, Heikinashis are trending up. Are we going to have enough movement to the upside here to get to 8,700? I mean, it's possible, y'all. It's possible. We could go back and test this trend line again, or end up just breaking out of it, to be honest. I think I told y'all last time that if we do decide to come back up and test this trend line, that would be the moment that we probably break out. But the thing is that do I feel like this was enough consolidation for us to start to move back up above this trend line? Not necessarily. I don't think it was enough. Money flow is still in the red here on our 1 day, and I feel like we are going to get rejected at some point as well. We do have it kind of cutting in just a little bit, depending on if we can stay above, I would say, this midway point. Then that's going to be a good indication of whether or not we can break through that top resistance line there. But what I am concerned about is that here, back before we had this major sell-off to 3,500, we had these up and down patterns as well. And that's kind of what it's reminding me of a little bit. It's just these up and down patterns. Yeah, you know, it's a crazy market we're in right now. So we just have to be aware because nothing on these higher time frames. Our waves are still off, still trending above and below the 0 point on the blue wave. So we just got to be aware of that. Take a look at our 3-day here. Nice bullish divergence happening here on our 3-day. Is it enough to get us to move up? I don't know, because if you see this red money flow, it's just now cutting down, you know? It looks like it still wants to consolidate out a little bit more, to be honest. But we do have that green dot here. Take a look at our 4-day. 4-day, is it coming now into the red? It does look like it's kind of wanting to move upward a tad bit. But at the same time, we had so much movement to that downwards end. I honestly feel like we could see some red momentum there on or the money flow as well. I'm not seeing any blood diamonds or red X's yet though on our higher time frames just now, so that's a good sign. Here, I'm gonna take off sniper. Okay, we have Cipher A here, but I'm really curious if I see any. There's a yellow X right there on the 2-day. I mean, we could be doing something like this, y'all, at 3,500. That's another possibility as well. It does kind of look like we did hold this trend line here as support. I think we're going to come back down and retest it, to be honest. If we get into our higher time frames here, it does not look. This is our big green dot that we did have on our 6-day, but then our 5-day did not put in a big green dot. It was a smaller dot. Kind of interesting there. That's why I kind of feel like this could play out here from when we consolidated and then we dropped off to 3,500. We have these two patterns here and then down. And then if we take a look at our weekly chart, putting in a small green dot. Doesn't look like it's going to be a big one either. But you can see that we're still in our red money flow here as well. And that's the only concerning part, is that the red money flow is still superseding some of these higher time frames. And then our 2-week. Nice cut down here. But it does kind of look like we want to kind of bottom out and start to round a little bit as well. I'm not convinced that we are out of the woods just yet, especially looking at our 3-week and monthly. Just take a look at our monthly here. I'd really be curious. I'd be willing to bet off of the monthly green dot, and that's just going to have to be something that when a monthly green dot decides to hit, I'll be confirmed bullish by then. But also take a look. This monthly candle that's closing, or that will close, will be a solid red candle and not a highlighted red candle. It's a solid red candle, and that could be something like this right here, y'all, where we continue our downwards trend. Let's take a look at our 2-week again, see what happened here. See, we kind of get those outlined red green candles, and then we start to dive into our red candles, right, if we don't come out of that. But it does look like that December monthly close is going to be somewhat of a red candle, y'all. Let's just go back in the charts to see like what happened last time we had a full red candle, and as you can see here, full red candles, boom 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 boom, and put in a bunch of big red candles after that as well. So monthly chart is it's looking scary, y'all. It's looking like it doesn't look like we're out of the woods just yet, and I'm gonna leave it at that, y'all. That's pretty much it. Is that our monthly chart is still bearish. Our monthly chart is still really bearish. So just be aware of that, and we can go with the flow on this. So get signed up for the newsletter. I'm doing the $50 giveaway at 1,000 subs. Hopefully hit that by mid-January. Also, I have a Patreon group. If you're interested in some of my top picked altcoins that you're gonna need to have when we go into our next bull run cycle, and for just all around purchasing power over the US dollar, right? Or your favorite fiat, whatever it is. That you should probably be hedged in. Y'all can get those at the Patreon group, and then also the Telegram group is growing pretty nicely. But I do update signals in there, video updates as well, and then also I'm using TradingView, y'all. If y'all want to support the channel, y'all can get signed up with TradingView. Right now I'm using the Pro Plus. I do have the Brave browser affiliate link if you want to get paid to browse the web and view ads. Y'all can check that out. Y'all can follow me on Crypto Takeover _, and then also I have the Crypto Tab affiliate link, so you get signed up to mine Bitcoin straight from your browser. And I can just start this up real quick just so that y'all can take a look at it and see what it does. And basically you just get you can start mining BTC straight from your web browser. It's a super easy way to make passive income, and once you download it, you can just leave it running in the background. I have it running on 2 different computers right now, and it's mining Bitcoin straight for me, as passive income. So super cool, super convenient way to start making passive income, y'all. One of the easiest methods that I found to generate some passive income. So check that out if y'all are interested, and then y'all can follow me on Instagram, and that is about it, y'all. I want to thank y'all for coming back. Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, and I'll be releasing some more videos soon enough, so stay tuned for those. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what y'all think about this monthly chart, because I had just zoned in on this, y'all. But these Heikanashis are not looking pretty right now, and that's the honest truth. Y'all can see it for yourself. We're putting in a solid red candle here, and the last couple of times we put in solid red candles after highlighted red green candles, then we just continue our downwards momentum. So just a heads up, stay frosty out there. Comment, tell me what y'all think. Tell me what coins y'all want me to review, and I can get around to those. I can add those to the list, and I hope y'all have a great one. I'll see y'all next time.